Okay, so before you watch the video, I just really want to ask you guys, before you comment anything or before you put any suggestions or anything, make sure that you watch the entire video. I try my best to get in depth as I possibly can about the whole situation that happened. And like I said, I do want you guys to comment because of course I do want to talk about this. This is the first time this ever happened to me, but I think, you know, it's only right that I tell you the complete story before y'all, you know what I'm saying, start, you know, commenting and saying things like that, because I think you'll get a better overall of what the video is about at the end. This is the first time Nike Snkrs ever done this with me. I use the Snkrs app literally on every single release, and it just sucks that this happened, bro. I'm kind of upset, I ain't gonna hold you, and I think you'll be able to understand why by the end of the video. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Today we got a weird situation that I've never been a part of before, and I don't know if this happened to anybody else, but I think the reason how it happened, it's a little sketchy for me. I'm not gonna hold you. Now, as y'all know, a lot of times when the Nike Snkrs app have any releases that's worth recording, I used to do live cops. I feel like live cops kind of got a little crowded, so I stopped doing the live cops that often. I just started recording content basically on the days of me going after each sneaker. So recently the Jordan High 85 had released, and as y'all know, the video is posted. So if you have not seen that video, I highly suggest that you go over, watch that video, then come back here to be able to truly understand what happened. So in that video, y'all see me go through my whole method. Y'all see me get the got 'em emoji from the Jordan High Neutral Gray 85. Now, let's talk about in context, right? So, the Jordan 1 Neutral High 85 was a very limited shoe, okay? I got it from the Snkrs app. The Nike Snkrs app, we all knew it was gonna be limited, so you can imagine how excited I was, right? Let's just get out the way. I was excited. I was running through the house. I mean, literally, you can go to that video. I documented everything, you know what I'm saying? All of it. So once I won that shoe, I mean, I was excited, like through the roof. I was excited, and then after, you know, a few days after I got the notification saying that I got them, everything started to go left, and I didn't really know how, or I didn't really know why. So the shoe retailed for $200, right? Which is already a little bit more than your custom, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 1. But due to the history and due to the shoe, I'm with it, you know what I'm saying? You guys know I love sneakers. I do sneaker content all the time, so I thought it was worth the $200 price point. Now that shoe is currently being sold at close to $600, or in some sizes over $600. So it's like, even if I was to get my money back, I still don't get the shoe because I didn't pay the resale price, and that's what really makes me mad. Because all right, I'm going too far. Let me slow it down. So I'm gonna bring out my phone. I got all the proof. I got everything that I need. Just show y'all what's going on today. I'm gonna go on, or actually, I got the screenshots. So once you get the sneaker, right, we all know that you really technically don't have the shoe until your order is confirmed. Well, bow. The order was confirmed. Now, once I get that, bro, I'm good. I got orders confirmed. In my opinion, order confirmed to me is being said that you confirmed the fact that you had X amount of shoes, you confirmed the fact that my pair was available, and now you're confirming to me that this sneaker will be mine. Now, before I go any further, if that's not confirmed to you, without trolling, I need y'all to tell me, what does confirmed mean to you? Because if Nike Snkrs is telling me order is confirmed, you're literally telling me you took inventory of the sneakers, you know what's available, you know that my pair is purchased, it's put to the side. I'm confirming, right? I'm using the word that they gave me. I'm confirming that this shoe belongs to you, Mr. Sniper Jones. It will be to you shortly. Now, before we go any further, I do want to say that I know the weather conditions has been terrible. I know that a lot of packages has been slowed down and not shipped. At the moment, right now, I'm currently waiting for 2 other sneakers. I'll post that above too. It says being prepared to ship, and one of those sneakers is the Air Force One Love Letters. Now these came out a while back too. I already know. I'm also waiting on the Silver Toe Air Jordan 1. I already know. Like I said, if anybody from Nike watching this, it's not even a bash, bro. It's just me telling my experience, because as you can see, I shop on the Nike Snkrs app all the time. And let's go back, bro. The fact that I was even 1 in a million to hit on the app. Do you know how lucky you have to be to even hit on the Snkrs app at all? Like, I'm not even talking about, you know what I'm saying, how it felt that you got to hit the lottery to win some of these shoes, especially when we're talking about Love Letter, Air Force Ones, Neutral Gray High 85, bro, to hit on the Snkrs app. Like, That alone is hard. So, okay, let me speed back up. The weather conditions is being slowed down due to like the crazy snow that's been going on. We already know, right? Stuff that's happening in Houston, Tennessee, and for y'all who don't know, the Nike warehouse that they do like a lot of sorting and shipping out of is in the Memphis, Tennessee area. And I've been to Memphis, Tennessee. I know a lot of people from Memphis, Tennessee, and that is usually where the main location is for a lot of shoes. The shipping being delayed had nothing to do with what Nike did, because I understand that the weather conditions is slowing down the shipping, but to further on the story, Nike hit me 11 days later and told me that they canceled my order for my Jordan 1 High 85. Now, let's dive into this. I was upset, right? Yesterday was like a sneaker event. It was called Sneaker Exit. I linked up with my boy Jumpin' Man Chris and he got kicks. On my way to pick up my girlfriend and go to that event, I got a notification from Nike Snkrs, hoping that maybe they was telling me that, you know, that order is being prepared and it's going to be late due to weather. I would have been fine with that. But instead, I got a notification telling me that the order was canceled. Now, I have no idea at this point how my order was canceled, because it can be for weather conditions, right? Because I see how you treat weather condition related sneakers, okay? You then notify me and say that it's going to be slow, which I can understand. This is not me being, look, I just want to make this very, very, very open, right? I'm not crying over no BS, bro. Like, I could be here, if I was over here crying like, man, I can't believe that Nike is taking all day shipping my shoe. Like, no, bro, shut up, okay? You got your shoe. I got almost 3 shoes waiting to be shipped off, and that's not a problem for me. I get that. Oh, it's life. Things happen, right? Sometimes stuff happens and you have to wait. It's no problem with that. There's harsh weather conditions. I cannot talk with these braces, bro. I'm sorry. There is harsh weather conditions in Memphis, Tennessee that's delaying me to get my shoe. Okay, take y'all time. Please, everybody be safe out there, especially in Texas. I'm praying for y'all. Please. I have no problem with that. This is where my problem lies, and you have to be able to understand this. And if you don't, please tell me why or why not in the comment section, because I'm really lost. There's no way I can feel like I wasn't finessed if I got an order confirmed notification and then later I was told that my order was canceled, because now things are not starting to add up. How do you cancel a confirmed order, right? And what did I do? I decided to go to Twitter and DM Nike, just a long shot, right, to see what they're gonna say. And Lord behold, they actually responded. So, but I do want to say, even the response from Nike on Twitter didn't really have me feeling better, but at least I got a chance to talk to somebody, if that makes sense. So I'm going to pull up the DM right here, and I'm going to read it along with y'all, and we just going to go into it. So I said, I DM Nike, as y'all can see, it's verified at the top. Hi, I'm Sniper Jones, sneaker YouTuber out of ATL. I recently got the High 85s from the Snkrs app, but you guys canceled my order. I'm frustrated because I don't know why. I then sent them a screenshot of my order being canceled, but after I did that, I also said the order was already confirmed almost 2 weeks from today. And the reason why I wanted to tell them that is because I find it very strange how my order can be confirmed for 11 days, right? So I would have even been fine if on the release day or 3 days after the release day, after I got because I got the confirm the same day. Within like this 30 minutes, if that, you'll get your confirmed order. I would have been fine if like 3 days later from that day, my order was canceled, because then it would have let me know that, okay, cool, you know what I'm saying, something happened. I would have felt better than this, because if you wait 11 days to tell me my order was canceled, that leaves so much time from the day I got it, from the day I got canceled, for some BS to happen. Now, I mean, somebody probably didn't finesse my shoe and stole it out. Somebody didn't probably backdoored it, right? An employee probably didn't snuck it out. Like, whatever happened. I don't want to accuse nobody of doing nothing like malicious or nothing like that, but that's just how my mind worked. Why wait 11 days to tell me that a sneaker that it was already confirmed? I want to put quotations around already confirmed, because that's a shoe that's supposed to be not touchable, right? Out the way, put to the side, let at bay. But it takes 11 days for you to tell me my order was canceled. I find that very fishy. So what I wanted to tell Nike and help them understand where I was coming from, I sent them a screenshot of my order being confirmed literally 2 weeks ago. Okay? And hold up. Unbreakable calling me. Yo, say what up to the vlog, bro. I know you're in the bed.
Yo.
Yo, bro, I'm doing this video on the Nike Snkrs app. So they recently just hit me up and said that they canceled my pair of the neutral high 85s, bro, even though my order was confirmed and I got them 11 days ago, 12 days ago.
So you already got the shoes?
No, I got the confirmed order for the shoe. They told me that I got it, and then yesterday they canceled it, even though I got them 11, 12 days ago. Drop this video for the people one time. For the one time, I'm gonna hit you back a little bit later.
All right, bro.
All right. So let's get back to the story, okay? So Nike replied saying to the message saying, "We're sorry about your experience and apologize for the inconvenience. However, it appears that your order was canceled due to that style being sold out. Our team emailed you your email address is filed with more info." Right. First of all, I was surprised to even get an email back. I'm like, it's Nike, bro. I didn't know. I mean, obviously now I know that Nike has people that actually handle the day-to-day DMs from people, which is great. And it looks great for the company because the fact that you can reach out and talk to somebody is pretty cool. Like I said, it's not a Nike bashing video. I thought the fact that I can reach out ASAP and just talk to somebody from Nike was very cool, man. So it still didn't help me with my problem, though. So I responded, but I'm still not understanding how a sneaker could be sold out when my order was confirmed. Now, if you're watching this video and you feeling like, you know, kind of lost, that is the main part, right? I said, but I'm still not understanding how my sneaker can be sold out when it's confirmed. How can you sell out of a confirmed sneaker? Because once again, bringing this back to the beginning of the conversation, if you confirm this shoe, you're telling me you have my size. I don't think I'm crazy for believing that if my order was confirmed, it should be here. That's the real misconception of the entire video. That doesn't really clear my head. I don't get that, okay? So, anyway, I said, but I'm still not understanding how a sneaker could be sold out when my order was confirmed, which means that the shoe was bought. The order was confirmed, so how did it sell out? Which basically is just telling me what I told y'all. And I find it funny that even though they responded ASAP the first time, it did not respond at all the second time. Maybe it made too much sense, or maybe they just got fed up with me, or maybe like whoever was responding took a lunch break. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But like I said, it still brings us back here. So today, I did all this yesterday, by the way. Today, what I decided to do was call the Nike customer service just to be able to talk to somebody, right? Maybe, you know, the DMs. I can only imagine how many DMs that the Nike headquarters get, right? It's only probably 1-2 people. I don't know how many people respond in the DMs, but it's probably hard to reach them there. So what I decided to do, call customer service, see what's going on, and maybe you can get a better explanation, or maybe even they can ship out your shoe. So I called them this morning, right before I made this video, and I basically told them the same thing I told them on Twitter. And the lady basically told me that the sneaker was held at the Memphis location, and basically, you know, long story short, they don't have the shoe. So they were not able to give me the shoe back. They did tell me that they issued me a refund. Here's my problem with that, okay? This story could be worse. What if Nike ran off, took my money, right? It would have been terrible. They did not. They did refund me the money that I spent for the shoes. But as you guys know, resale is alive. This shoe is now worth $600. The shoe was retailed for $200. So even if you send me my money back, it's not like I can buy the item. It'll be different if it's like a Nike Tech jacket or a Nike Tech outfit, where if you refund me, I can just go back on the site, boom, buy the Nike Tech suit, and be on my way. The sneaker community, y'all already know how this works, bro. Once the shoe releases and people supply and demand, that's a $600 shoe. So the $200 you giving me, bro, I cannot go back and buy this shoe. So yes, I don't want to seem ungrateful. I am truly thankful that you guys were able to give me my money back, because there's so many other companies that wouldn't even give you your money back. They just chalk it up as an L. And I do want to recognize that. And this is not me being like, you know, what is the word I'm looking for? You know how you say something but you don't really mean it? It's called, man, I can't think of it right now. Of course y'all gonna know. But the fact of the matter is, I can't buy this shoe unless like they were to refund me the resale value. And I mean, they're not gonna do that. I wasn't expecting them to do that. I was honestly just hoping they just send me my shoe. That's all I want, bro. I don't want no extra money. I don't want no clout. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I just want the shoe. That's it. But long story short, it's not looking like I'm going to get this sneaker, because after talking to them, they said there's nothing that they can do. So I just wanted to create this video to talk to y'all and see if this happened to anybody. I'm not sure if this happened to y'all before. I have gotten orders canceled, but it was because I never got the confirmed order. And that's it, man. I believe, I'm a strong believer of if the order is confirmed, give it here. You know what I'm saying? It'd be different if it was a mistake on the shipping, if it was to the wrong address or whatever. But I feel like, you know, I kind of got finessed by the Nike Snkrs app because they never sent out my shoe once the order was confirmed. So, I mean, that pretty much is what it is. Let me know how y'all feel about this story down below in the comment section. Has this happened to you? Or just, how do you feel? Like, if you was me, You know, and I know a lot of y'all gonna troll and be like, bro, this is what you get. You've been lucky. Look, I have been hitting those sneakers app a lot lately, but I do want to tell y'all, bro, you can't really look. I use one account. I use a cell phone. That's it. I don't have any bots. I don't have 4 or 5 phones. So y'all really should congratulate me for getting out the muscle. Like, it's so many ways you can finesse to get pairs. I am like doing it the most legit way. I'm using one cell phone device with my fingers crossed. And anybody that want to question any of my sneakers wins, I literally document every single one. So if you want to know how I win on the Nike Snkrs app, if you think I'm lying about any way I've ever won, you can literally go on my videos right now and check out the videos, and you'll see me and my girlfriend on our cell phones praying just like the rest of y'all. And somehow, some way, I just get through. So instead of like trolling in the comments by saying you la da da da, bro, I get dubs the most even way possible. I don't even have 2, 3, 4 cell phones with me or bots or anything. One cell phone, one dream, and I'm just praying for the best just like the rest of y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about my situation. Like I said, it's very unfortunate, and that's pretty much it, man. I don't want this video to be too long, but I did want to tell you guys everything so you won't be left out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. This is the year of 100K subs, and this is where we get that plaque year. You know what I'm saying? You already know the vibes. I am Sniper Jones. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.